In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you've recorded video on your camera and clean audio on a separate recorder or microphone, Resolve makes it easy to line them up so voices look and sound perfectly in time. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Once you're in, head to the media page or the media pool inside the edit page, import the video file from your camera and the separate high-quality audio file you want to use. The media pool is simply your project's library. Bringing both files in here lets Resolve see and compare them. Clear file names and matching sample rates can help, but they're not required for this workflow. With both files imported, drag the video clip onto the timeline, then drag the external audio clip beneath it on an audio track. You don't have to line them up precisely, just make sure both are on the timeline together so Resolve can access their waveforms. If you can see the waveforms, that's a good sign. Peaks from a clap or a sharp consonant make syncing more accurate. Now select both the video and the audio clips on the timeline. Right-click the selection and choose Auto Align Clips, then Based on Waveform. This tells Resolve to listen to the scratch audio recorded with your camera and your separate high-quality track, compare their shapes, and calculate the correct offset. Resolve will analyze the waveforms and align them automatically. Depending on clip length and computer speed, this can take a moment. When it finishes, you'll notice the external audio shifts to match the camera's timing. At this point, press play and look closely at lip movements and any sharp sounds. Things like a clap, a door click, or a finger snap should coincide with the audio spike you hear. If a confirmation appears, click Sync to apply the alignment. After syncing, play a few sections across the timeline to confirm everything stays locked over time, not just at the start. If something still feels off, maybe a very noisy environment confused the match, run the auto align command again to give Resolve another pass. That's it. You've brought your files into the media pool, placed them on the timeline, used auto align based on waveform, let Resolve analyze, and confirmed by clicking sync. With your audio and video now in step, you're ready to continue editing with confidence.